In this video, I'm going to show you a straightforward strategy that will help you to make maximum number of right trade. As you can see in my screen, I have made altogether 9 trades and 7 trades are right in this 9 trade and two trade were wrong. And if you also want this kind of result, then watch this video very carefully. I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process in an easy to understand way so that you can implement everything right after watching this video. And guys, if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and do like this video after watching this video. And if you want some free signals to trade binary options inside pocket option, then do join my Telegram channel. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Okay guys, so the strategy is extremely simple. Okay, firstly you make all of this currency pair favorite. Okay, above 80% payout is fine, and you can just click on this and make it star and it will appear at here. Okay, and remove all the low payout offers from here. Okay, from favorites, and then you need to see the strong trend. Okay, so for example, as you can see, this is a support, right, and it is trying to fall down. Now whenever it retraces a little bit back, you can make trade by clicking on lower in this way. Similarly, let's see in another. Okay, so here you can see it is strongly falling down. If it moves a little bit upward, you can make trade by clicking on higher. So in this way, sorry, in lower, in this way. As you can see, we are going to make this trade also, right? So now let's see in another. As you can see, it is strongly falling down and it is also trying to move up. So we have made a trade by clicking on lower, but let's see what happens. Yeah, we made a profit. So 3 trades, I made 3 trades and all of these 3 trades were right. So let's say, yeah, here you can see how strongly it is falling down. So if it moves a little bit upward, we are going to make trade by clicking on lower. Yeah, this way. Yeah, this was wrong. Okay, anyways, fine. We made 3 trades right. 1 trade was wrong. Don't make this trade on this kind of a small candle. You need to see big candles like this one. Okay, if it comes a little bit backward, yeah, make trade by clicking on higher in this way. Let's see. Okay, we made a mistake here also. So let's see. Yeah, this candle is good. If it goes back a little bit, yeah, now in this way you can make trade. Let's wait. I made a trade little bit faster at here. Let's see in another. You can make a trade by clicking on higher in this condition. So here you can see if it comes a little bit back, make a trade. Made a trade right. So let's see in another. So yeah, this is good. Yeah, in this way you can make a trade by clicking on lower because it pulled a little bit back. That's why I made a trade. Let's see another big candle. So yeah, this is also fine. Let's see what happens. Made a profit. So guys, as you can see here, how much trade I have made. Okay, so 3 trades were wrong. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 trade were right. So that means you are still profitable. You can test this strategy properly in your demo account. Okay, now I'll be silent and show you by making multiple of these trades. So watch every trade carefully so that your mind becomes trained how to make trade with this strategy. So now I'll be quiet. So watch this video very carefully till the end. One important thing that I forgot to mention, I'm only going to show you the right trades from now onwards, okay, by being quiet, because it will train your mind to make such trades. Okay, so watch this video very carefully, and now all of these trades are only going to be the right trades so that you can train your mind well and practice it in your demo account and then use it in your real account. So now let's get started. I'll be quiet now.